Alright, y'all, as y'all can tell from the title, I'm about to just show you how to trade with the trend. Yes, the trend will end. Yes, it will. If you do not know how to read the market structure, um, the trend may blow your account, but it's up to you to understand the trend, and it's up to me to teach you. So, um, basically, this is the monthly chart. So basically, to confirm your trend, what you want to do is go to the monthly, see if you're in a buying or selling trend. In this case, you're in a buying trend. What I seen was that it bought this month, and now it's buying this month, and we're at what, December 10th. So I'm like, okay, that's cool. It kind of confirmed to me that this is gonna be an uptrend. All right. And it may change, okay, because we broke this highest point, and then we're coming to approach a new highest point that we're really, we are far from it, not gonna lie to you. But this is the next highest point, so this will be the point where I'm either looking for a reversal, whatever the case is. Okay, so then I go to the daily to make sure that it confirms with my monthly. So you already see in the daily that we're in an uptrend. Even down here, this is the origin of the trend. So it's showing you that we've been in an uptrend, okay? So then you go to the 4 hour, and this is where I would draw my trend line, alright? Make sure to spread your chart out, y'all. So I would draw my trend line through these points simply because every time it hit it, it went back up. Alright, draw this down here. And I'm also going to show you the trick of how you're about to get trades within the trend if it doesn't hit the trend line, okay? This is techniques, yo. This is really fire as fuck that I'm about to show y'all. Alright. So now we're on the hourly. You want to make sure it's buying on the hourly too. If you over here and you trying to get into the trend and it's selling, that's on your ass. I don't got nothing to do with that. Alright. So then you want to go to the 15 minute. Expand your 15 minute chart. Like I said, we're in an uptrend. Okay, so if you want to start from where I drew this trend, let's zoom out real quick, get to the point. Alright, I'm not finna do all that scrolling. But basically in the uptrend, all we're looking is for buys. That's it, buys. So take the Fibonacci, go to the up part. It's gonna come back and hit your 70 or your 61% mark. And then you're gonna take the trend. You're gonna take the trade. And this is AUD USD, so you're not gonna get that many pips, okay? So it's 35 pips. This trade is literally for beginners. Like this pair is for beginners who are trading, okay? So literally, it hit your TP1, your TP2, your TP3, okay? And then I believe it hit your TP4. So this is just trading with the trend. Here's another one. Boom. Like literally trend Fibonacci within Fibonacci, okay? Just in case you don't want to hold your trade for the pullback, Fibonacci within Fibonacci. Alright. So we got in here. Boom. What's that? TP1. Let me delete this one real quick. Okay, but so we got in right here. TP1, TP2, a little bit of pullback back to your entry, but that's okay because we literally have all this room. If it hits your stop loss, y'all, it hits your stop loss. Don't be afraid to lose money, okay? But hit your TP1, your TP2, your TP3, your TP4. It came back and then it went back up again. So this was the profit of 41 pips. I literally just showed y'all how y'all can gain 38 pips, a little bit of pullback. You came back and gained 41 pips, a little bit of pullback, right? Hold on. A little bit of pullback. You come back again on that pullback. Oh, I apologize. You come back again on that pullback to the highest point. Alright, so remember when I said you guys can lose, right? You can lose, but here's the thing. This is also what I showed y'all in the first video, was that I set my stop losses below this mark. Alright? This is just me. So I would have entered here. So the stop loss they gave you was what? 6 pips. Alright? 6 pips. I would probably set my stop loss below this low, which is 13 pips, which meaning I didn't get stopped out. Alright? I didn't get stopped out at all. So I'm in the trade from here to here for the gain of 20 pips. So you telling me just now I just showed y'all how to get 90 pips back to back? I just showed y'all a strategy how to get 90 pips back to back. Alright? So once you see this something like this going to the downtrend, what I would do literally is highlight from here to here, okay? So then I go to the hour. I'm looking at the hour. It showed me that it's selling, okay? You go to the 4. I just deleted one of my trades on the side. Where is that trade at? Come on. I know you're somewhere. Alright, I don't know. I cannot see it on my 4 for some reason. Alright, yeah, I can't see it on my 4. So let's go back to the 1. The thing be tiny when you try to go and look at the 4. You gotta search and find it. Alright, but it's showing you that it's selling on the hour, okay? So let's go back to the 15. Where's we at? Zoom out. See if I can find it. Okay, bet. So they're gonna zoom back in. And then it shows you another downtrend. Okay, so remember, another downtrend. So remember I told you guys that the trend may end, okay? So this could have been a point where the trade would have ended, or the trend would have ended. Alright? But I literally have a technique for y'all that I am studying right now that will let you catch all this. But right now let's just focus on the trend. So here we are again on the uptrend again. It gives me the lowest point to its highest point. Okay, no entry. So I go to the next highest point. Okay, no entry. So forget the Fibonacci. Let's go here. Boom. On the 61. Whoa. Y'all telling me? Yo, how many pips is that? Here to here. 80 pips, y'all. Now I know people don't want to hold a trade for a day. So 17 was literally when the market closed. So it closed at 5 on this day. So the market is either going to shoot up 40 pips or shoot down 40 pips when it opens, okay? So just be careful on that part. Be very careful on that. Do not take a trade when the market is closed. I don't recommend that. Even though this trade went well, I really do not recommend that, okay? Let's see. Another trade for the uptrend. Boom. Lowest point, highest point, came in, hit your TP1, and your TP2. Alright, so what I need y'all to understand, I said this in the last video, sometimes you gotta be happy with TP1, TP2, alright? Literally, like you're just doing this the whole trend, y'all. The whole trend. Alright? Literally the whole trend. It's just buys, buys, buys. Boom. There's a big buy right here. Remember how I said it's not gonna give you a highest point all the time. So you have to understand your market structure. Lowest point, highest point, you enter here. Once you enter, like I showed you in the first video, 70% mark. So this is the stop loss it gives you. It gives you a stop loss of 7 pips, alright? You lucky enough it didn't tap it. But me, since we're so used to the 20 pip stop loss, you could set it 20 pips, okay? But here's another lowest point, 16 pips of a stop loss. That's not bad. You entered here to gain 41 pips. So basically, your risk to reward ratio was basically 1 to 2, almost 1 to 3. With a little bit of pullback, if you would have held, almost a 1 to 4 ratio, okay? So that to me, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. And then, like I said, the Fibonacci is just always going to work out. All right. Another point, you would have entered here, TP1, TP2. Like, y'all, I don't know what else y'all want me to show y'all. I really don't. But this is another trading strategy. Like, I'm just throwing trading strategies out to everybody because it doesn't work. Like, some trading strategies don't work for other people. Some can be too difficult. Some can be where you don't want to do a lot of research. And I get that, okay? Like, I get that a lot. So even here on this downtrend, I'm pretty sure there was a lot of sales. Like, look at your monthly. Your monthly will direct you. Then go to your daily, go to your 4 hour, go to your hour. Make sure all that is matching. All right. Do not take a trade. Do not take a sell in an uptrend. Like, stop looking for people to drop signals for y'all, and literally just take this as this is just a beginner, simple as method. Find the trend, trade within the trend, use the Fibonacci tool. All right, y'all. If y'all need anything else, if y'all want me to show you a downtrend, just comment and let me know. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you have not. My IG will be in the bio. Shit, y'all, turn up. This is a money making strategy right here. So let's go, y'all.